What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, just popping in for a moment. It is what day of the week it is. Oh my gosh, how have I lost contact with reality? I don't know. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's Tuesday, February the 2nd. What? February the 2nd, 2021. Time is flying. Oh my goodness, I got a busy day today. I'm excited about that. Y'all know I love working. I love doing what I do. I got my onesie on. I don't know what the hell kind of onesie this is. I don't know if it's a, I hope it's not a donkey. It might be a hippopotamus. Dang. But anyway, just popping in. I'm actually recording this from my phone because I wanted to just hang out with y'all for a brief moment, and I'm going to share it just as it is. I didn't want to go live because my dogs, but because I know y'all be trying to, just type in, and I know I got to get this day started. I have a nail look to do. I got my rings on, and I got some new polishes that came in. I have so many, oh my gosh, so many nail videos coming out for you because I got so many products that have showed up, and I'm still behind on getting packages out. So stay tuned for that. Y'all be getting an email as soon as I get your package together. You'll be getting a notification to let you know that I have your package on its way. And I got an order from Whole Foods coming. I said I was going to order from Walmart, but I didn't. I don't know why. I guess because this stuff that I've gotten from Whole Foods before, I'm already pleased with because I'm doing my juicing and all of that now. I really didn't want to have to toss up and say, Walmart, what you doing? So I will do that when I'm not in such a push, because today I promised myself, I said I was going to do it yesterday, but I didn't make a move to get my order in. So today I'm actually going to juice, and I'll have an update over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel. So anyway, I also, what else is going on that I got to do today? I am going to do a clean of this beauty room because it's been a minute, to get the carpet up. I actually have my new carpet that came in my room. I guess the room carpet size, I don't know, but anyway, it's a new rug that I'm going to be putting down. Mikey's going to help me with that today. And also I have a bookcase that I'm putting together, hence the onesie. Okay, I just got to get I got to get these things done. Okay, let me just roll back and pause. Okay, anyway, that's why girl is going to do some short nails today. I'm just doing some polishes that I'm excited. They're more like winter fall colors, so I'm excited about doing that. So I just have my own little nubby nails. I went ahead and cut the length off of my nails because y'all know I'll be doing a lot of nail tutorials, or I don't even know if you call them tutorials because I am not a licensed nail professional. Y'all know that. But I just want to go ahead and take them, cut them down, and they'll grow back, but just for convenience sake. So anyway, I know I look crazy, but y'all, I did when I took my shower, washed my hair, so it's still kind of damp right now. And that's about it. But I just wanted to hang out just for a few minutes to check in, because I know we BFFs and y'all be wanting to know. But girl, I got some interesting nail looks for y'all over there on Sugar Fingers. So subscribe to Sugar Fingers. I'm just going to promote all of the channels that I love. Maddie's Glam Life. I'll have all the links below, also in the iCards. Also, y'all know my stepdaughter is just now started her channel, The Long's Life After Kids, and she is doing a fantabulous job. So go over there, The Long's Life After Kids, check it out. And, again, people, but to watch her do her videos and just to hear her tell her story about, raising her kids, starting with 6 kids. Now she has 7 kids, now married, remarried again. It's just a wonderful, wonderful, story to listen to. So please check it out. She has lots of stuff to share with y'all. So that gives you another outlet to go to. I'm excited about that. And baby girl, she's busy always. In fact, she's in there working in her little studio right now. So I'm just excited. And Mikey is getting ready to go get some BJ's chicken wings for us to eat for this evening. And I know I'm juicing. However, I still have to eat. And chicken is a good thing. Okay? It ain't going to hurt me to eat no chicken, y'all. But I'm doing good. You know, I started my apple cider vinegar doing that. And, you know, I can already tell the difference. The one thing it does, it's like a diuretic. You know, it helps to flush out, you know, your system. So you're going to, you know, do number one a lot, and that's a good thing. So me personally, I am a lot of water weight because I retain fluid. I mean, not fluid. Yeah, fluid is retained. I do water retention. That's the puffy stomach, you know, the puffy legs, you know, all of that. It's a part of that. And even in my hands, I noticed it even more doing these nail tutorials, like my little fingers were so fat, so they've gone down, and that is a good thing. So I'm going to keep on that, but I'm also going to do me a juices, one that I've mentioned before. I'm not going to mention it here because you got to go over to Beauty by Sweet Angel to let me tell you about the one that I'm going to start again to see what happens, because the first time I did it, it did not happen because your girl started eating again. But I did try that. I'm going to keep on this. You know, it's just like with anything else, the skin, the hair, the whatever. I'm going to stay on top of it again. I'm going to keep trying. You know, you don't give up. Don't give up. You may give out for a second, but get right back into the game. And that's what I'm planning on doing. And once I get my fruits today, I'm going to let you see what I got. And we'll be doing some juicing this week. So I'll share some more recipes with y'all. And you know, I did try the Ninja. I did the Ninja thing. I did that for Maddie to help her with her braces. But girl, she's learned how to maneuver around them braces, okay? You know, you're not going to stop her from getting in her protein and whatever, you know, she needs to get in. Because, you know, she's going to do the smoothie thing. But she says she got to eat. She got to eat. I got to eat, Mama. I know how to break this food up and make it happen. Tomorrow, I know I'll be probably out in the streets because I know Cookie finally was supposed to be getting her spading done last week. However, they had missed some shots or whatever. I don't know what's going on with that veterinarian, okay? But anywho, we got to go tomorrow and get her shots first. And then Friday, she has her surgery. So we'll be out and about then too. So that's about it. I just wanted to, again, pop in, chit chat with y'all. And again, I'm going to try to edit this a little bit on my phone, you know, see what I can do with that. But other than that, that's about it. So hope y'all are doing well this wonderful Tuesday, terrific Tuesday. I'm looking at the clock right now. It says 2:22 p.m. and it's 2/2/2021. Okay, it's a lot going on. So that must be a good sign. So I'm going to take that as a blessing right now. I want y'all to stay positive. Y'all know what you think you become. So become the best you can be, right? Definitely. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I'm signing out for now. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, share your girl with your world. I'll see you in a little bit somewhere on these YouTube streets. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.